In the heart of Labuan Bajo, the gateway to world tourism,
stands a vocational campus preparing an excellent generation.
Politeknik eLBajo Commodus, where creativity, innovation, and competence come together to shape the future. With the vision of becoming an excellent, competitive, creative, innovative, and adaptive vocational education institution in the development of knowledge, technology, and industry, Politeknik eLBajo Commodus provides hands-on learning, strong industry collaboration, and meaningful experiences relevant to today's needs. 8 study programs are ready to open limitless opportunities. Bachelor of Applied Hotel Management, shaping world-class hospitality professionals. Bachelor of Applied English for Business and Professional Communication, empowering language skills that connect the world. Bachelor of Applied International Marketing Management, developing global business strategists. Bachelor of Applied Tax Accounting, producing modern finance and taxation experts. Bachelor of Applied Public Sector Human Resource Management, nurturing resilient and ethical HR leaders. Diploma in Ecotourism, combining nature conservation with sustainable tourism potential. Diploma in Hotel Management, focusing on excellent service and operational management. Diploma in Information Technology, preparing innovative and adaptive digital talents. At Politeknik eLBajo Commodus, learning goes beyond theory. It's about real experiences that prepare students to compete nationally and globally. This is your endless possibilities. Politeknik eLBajo Commodus, your window to endless possibilities.
PLC University, your window to endless possibilities.